One of the really powerful features of LinkedIn marketing is the ability to zero in on your end decision maker using the filtering process. If we look at the Sales Navigator tool right here, you can actually zero in on company size. So you can go and put in your location. I'll put in Melbourne, being located in Melbourne. I can put someone that has a mutual connection with me already in place. I can pick my industry. So let's just say it was financial services. And I can come down and put in CEO, choose my Chief Executive Officer, and then I can target a specific size company. So let's say I wanted a company that has more than 10 employees, but fewer than 200. I've now filtered my searches to 97 CEOs, financial services companies in Melbourne that I have a mutual connection with. That's really powerful targeting from a marketing standpoint because you can bypass the gatekeepers, bypass the EAs, all the people that are going to waste your time, push you around, and get straight to the person that will see value in the solution. So if you like this little pointer, make sure you're following so you can get access to more LinkedIn tips that are going to help you generate leads for your business.